In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a grid view in Airtable so you can manage your data just like a spreadsheet. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. Start by opening your browser and going to Airtable's website. Once you're there, click the Login button in the top right corner and sign into your account. After you're logged in, you'll see your workspace. Open the base you want to edit. That's the project or database where your data lives. Inside that base, select the table where you want to create a new grid view. This is important because views are specific to each table. Now, look at the left sidebar. You'll see a section labeled Views, which lists all the different ways you can look at your data. Click Create New View. A menu will pop up showing the different types of views available. Select Grid from that list. Grid is the default view and the one that most closely resembles a traditional spreadsheet. Next, you'll be prompted to enter a name for your grid view. Give it something descriptive, like Weekly Tasks or Client Overview, so you can easily find it later. Then click Create. Your new grid view will open automatically. You'll see your records displayed in a clean rows and columns layout, just like a spreadsheet. From here, you can customize how the data appears. Start by adjusting the visible fields. You can hide columns you don't need by clicking the field name and choosing Hide Field, or show hidden ones by clicking the plus icon. To reorder columns, simply click and drag a field header left or right until it's in the position you want. If you only want to see certain records, use the filter option. Click Filter, then add a condition. For example, show only records where the status is in progress. To organize your records, use the Sort option. You can sort by one field, like due date, or multiple fields like priority first, then date. The great thing is that filters and sorting only affect the current view, not your original data, and Airtable saves all your changes automatically, so you never have to worry about losing your work. A grid view is perfect for managing large amounts of data because it gives you that familiar spreadsheet feel with the power of a database. You can create multiple grid views for different teams, projects, or workflows, each one customized exactly how you need it. And when you're ready, you can share a specific view with collaborators so they only see what's relevant to them. You've now successfully created and customized a grid view in Airtable. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.